In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to change Google Chrome language settings to English or any other language here in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First things first, you need to open your Google Chrome. So by that, click on that one, or you can simply use the search bar and search for it. So as you can see in my Google Chrome, I have set Japanese language as the language here in my Google Chrome. So all you need to do is you need to navigate to the top right corner. You can see there are three dots. Click on that one. So as you can see here at the right side, all of the list of the options are being set here as the Japanese language. So definitely won't be able to understand such because I'm not a Japanese speaker. It's not my first language. Okay, I'm not learning that as well on how to read that one. So definitely I won't be able to read this. So the catch is you need to look at the icon instead of the text. Okay, again, look at the icon instead of the text. You can see there a gear icon. Click on that one. So the moment you click on that, you would be navigated to the Chrome settings. You would be able to see that here at the address bar, Chrome settings. So by that, please wait until the Chrome settings would be ready for you. Okay, so here at the Chrome settings, please proceed here at the left side. And again, as what I have said earlier, you need to look at the icon or the symbol instead of the text. So by that, locate for something like a language icon. So I can see it here, which has this A in the alphabet letter A, as well as there's something like language symbol. So click on that one. The moment you click on it, you would be able to open the section where here you would be able to see a text that is being highlighted into blue. Click on that one, and then you would be able to see or open this small window. So you would be able to see a search bar here. Please type the language that you would like to set. In my case, I would like to set English as my language here in the Google Chrome. The moment you've searched the language, you'll be able to see a list of results. Select that one, and the moment you have ensured that it is being checked, go with this blue one. Click on that, and the moment you click on it, you'll be able to add it here at the number 2. Not in number 1 because it is your language as of the moment, okay, which is Japanese in my case. So all you need to do is you need to navigate to the number 2, okay, that is being set here. Go with the three dots, and there you can see box there. Click on that one and go with this, okay, option. Click on that. And the moment you click on it, you will be able to relaunch your Google Chrome again. And here we go. We can now check if our language that has been selected, in my case English, if it's being set here all over here in the Google Chrome. Okay, so yes, we have just successfully set the language back to English or any of the language that you have set here in your Google Chrome. So by that, you can now remove the language that you have set earlier, and there you have that. You just have to leave the language here added. That is the language that you have set as the language settings in your Google Chrome. Okay, so once you are good, close the window, and there you have it. So if you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.